Hello everyone. So today I decided to sit and make this video or audio. The only reason is that from the past 2 days I have been, standing and walking in my room and recording it. So I realized that most of the time when I'm presenting or doing something, I have to sit down. So I just want to inculcate this habit in myself, the same habit of communication when I'm sitting as well, so that I can think clearly when I'm sitting and I don't have to walk in a room full of people who everyone is sitting to think. Yeah, so with that thought, we will start our session or recording today. So as usual, from the as we started this practice from the very last video, I'll start with a little story with some lesson in it. Okay, so it is like this. Uh, in a party, two people are standing. There are two people standing, two men maybe. Waiter goes to them and offer them drinks. Both of them take it. But the difference here is one person says thanks to the waiter and smiles at him, and another person doesn't do that. So party was on the verge of ending and there was only last drink left on the table. So what waiter did, now just a little question from you, you can answer while watching this video. Who do you think that waiter will go and serve that drink to? There are two persons standing next to him, or maybe a little far, who asked him for drink. So what that waiter will do is he will simply go to the person who said thank you to him. The reason is that there was some positive energy in that thanks. That person expressed his gratitude. He was thankful to the waiter. He made the waiter feel special, right? So the similar thing happens with God or universe as well. If you believe in God or not God, if some in energy that there is something that is controlling everything, or who takes care of what we get or what we don't get. So when we are not thankful for what we have, see, drink was a very small thing, right? The person could have gone to the table and picked it himself. But what happens is sometimes when we are thankful for what we already have, however simple it may be, however small it may be, when we are thankful to ourselves, or maybe we are thankful to the universe for what you have, so it brings out a positive energy and attracts a lot more things to yourself, right? When you are thanking God for what you already have, God will happily give you more and more because you are thankful. But think about a person who is not thankful at all, who is always complaining and whining about it, like I don't have this, I don't have that, this is not working well, and all these things. But he doesn't see big building or big house he has, or he doesn't see the car he has or the money he has, and he's always complaining in small things. So what will God be hearing? God will be hearing only complaints. So God will think about it, and he will think कि इसको अगली बार से कुछ नहीं देंगे and all. So that's the only lesson कि you have to be grateful in whatever you have to attract more and more in your life. Not with the You don't have to thank with the intention of getting more, just to be grateful, just to send out this positive energy in the world, right? Okay, so the session is complete. So the lesson is complete. Now we can start with our daily practice of random word impromptu challenge. Okay, so this time, as I told you, I am sitting and speaking. Okay, starting with it. Where is my timer? 1 second. I don't have a timer, I guess, today. Okay. Okay, I'll use my manual watch then. Start. Step. My first word is step. So steps are very important to reach a floor, right? You keep your foot on the steps and you reach to another floor. How important it is, the importance of step. Step also signifies, first step is very important. Why am I saying this is, if you want to build something, If you want to, if Sachin Tendulkar wanted to score a run, he had to step out of his room and take the first step of entering, or entering the field and standing and wait for the first ball, right? That is his first step. He can only score 100 once he is out in the game and play. So that is only thing you should remember in your daily lives as well. Take the first step and everything will be taken care of. Okay, so I think this is the 1 minute. Moving on to the next word, betray. Betrayal. When we say, or when we do anything, or when we are in a business partnership, we are expecting betrayal from our partner. We expect, they are being dishonest or something like that. But in actual, this also happens sometime, that they are actually betraying you. That is one thing, that is betrayal from another person. That is altogether different topic. But today I would be speaking about betrayal that we do to ourselves. We should be committed to something like going to gym, or going or doing any particular thing, building a good habit, or quit smoking maybe. So if we are not doing it or doing harm to ourselves, we are betraying ourselves. We are not doing justice to our body, to this nature, right? So you should be honest to yourself and don't betray yourself, so that you can achieve whatever you want in life in a process. Formula. Next word is formula. With formula, I could remember Formula One car. Yeah. Another thing I could remember is mathematics. It has a lot of formulas that are used. Formulas are used while making anything like medicine and all. They have particular formula. What should be quantity of which mix, something like that, right? Formula is very important, but living life and exploring different things, everyone has different way of dealing with stuff on the basis of their past experience, on the basis of what has worked for them in the past, right? So everyone built their own formula to success or for being happy. So we cannot apply our formula to others. We can simply guide them like, this is the way you can do this, but the only thing that person would be hearing is that they have to do it, and they will do it in their own way or in their own formula. So that is very important learning. Next word is lobby. Lobby is somewhere we walk around when we are not feeling, when we would need a break or just need a walk. Maybe you're walking in the lobby of your house, or maybe in the lobby of your office. So you just need a break, go into the lobby and enjoy yourself. What else you can do in a lobby? You can call a friend, you can call someone you love or your family. You can talk to them about your day, or what are their whereabouts and how are they doing lately in their lives. So all these things could be done in lobby. One thing that should be avoided is smoking. You should not smoke in lobby. It makes other people around there uncomfortable. And obviously in office you can't do that, but yeah, in rented apartments, if you go into lobbies, I have observed many people are smoking over there, which is not good thing, right? So that thing has to be kept in mind. Deter deter if we add gent to it, it becomes detergent. It is a very beautiful word. Deter, we can add anything in it and it gives out different meaning. So first we would be adding detergent. Detergent is used to wash our clothes. We put our clothes into the washing machine and add some detergent to it. After 30-40 minutes, it will give us cleaned clothes, and we can use them again. Another word that I could think of is uh, determine. So determining anything, it's kind of a creation or finding out any reason behind anything. So as we used to get questions in our exams, like determine what could be the reason behind it, or determine value of x in mathematics questions, or determine whatever it could be. Continuous. So continuous is very big word, I could say. I could think about it as continuous tense, that is there in English. And continuity in life is very important to build, you know, to bring big changes in your life. You have to be continuous with small changes, with small improvement each and every day. As told in book Atomic Habits by James Clear. So it is all about bring inculcating small habits into your routine and not getting bored out of them, so that continuity or being disciplined can make big changes in your life. You have to be continuous about it. Okay, so another thing that I could think about continuity is when you're driving a car, you have to be most probably in a continuous speed when you're in a long run, so that it doesn't confuse the traffic around you. Next word, demonstration. Demonstration is like giving example to explain something, I guess. The way I'm explaining important lessons of life, like today I explained gratitude is very important. So I explained it through one demonstration, through one example of a waiter and two people, out of which one person was thanking him and another person was not. So that was a demonstration. We can also see demon word in this word demonstration. Demons are not good. These people, these demons, scare away people. They are not good. They are like ghosts, I would say. Demonstrate, so it becomes easier to explain things. Or if you want to implant a lesson in child's brain, you have to demonstrate it in front of them, so that they can learn it more quickly. Next word is throw. I can throw away my watch right now, but that would make no sense, right? I am person with senses sitting in a chair and recording a video. Why would I throw my this watch? This doesn't make any sense. Okay, another thing, throwing means, we throw a ball to the batsman so that batsman could hit or either get out on our ball. So that is there. Actually, I'm losing count of my words, how many words I've completed. I have no idea. So let's go with the flow, I guess. Okay, so another thing is about the throw. I'm throwing away this. I don't know where I have thrown my that thing, yeah, timer. I'm not sure where that is. That's why it is causing me problem to record or have count of this word thingy. Okay, next word, contradiction. Contradiction is very important in life. When we are doing anything, or if we want to change our bad habit, we have to contradict it. We have to change our process by changing core problem behind it. For example, if someone is having a bad habit of staying up late in night, using phone and all, so you have to contradict this. How you could contradict this habit? What you can do is, as you can see, he or she is using their phone. So what they can do is to remove this or get out of this bad habit, they can put their phone away at the night so that they don't have anything to do and they have no other option to fall asleep, right? So by contradicting their belief or their action, they can change their lives. Just in case, just I got a call from someone and they told me that they woke up and they are also trying to make videos like me, and they are being successful in that as well. So this is how we inspire people through our actions. We discuss our daily activities or daily routine with them and help them understand it. Another thing that could come up from just is just in time. That was a concept in cost management in intermediate. So I was not aware of this word or this concept. So what happened was, teacher came to the class and he asked everyone what is just in time. I didn't know what it means at all. I didn't even know the spelling of it. I just heard it could be alternative of Justin Bieber or something like that. They just in word different words. I didn't even know that. How funny is it?